All right, guys. So yesterday we did electron configurations in class, and we ran out of time on a few little things that we may need to tackle in order for you to finish your packets today. So I just want you to add a couple things to your periodic table. If you are a little unsure on how to do electron configurations, you need to buddy up with somebody today, figure out how to work those problems out. Because they are only going to get longer and more complicated as we go further through our periodic table, which is what you will be doing by the end of today. So let me do one example problem. You should have a periodic table that looks just like this. You may not have these numbers yet. If you don't, then go on ahead and write those in right now. These numbers right here on the side are the same as our numbers over here. They are off by one number. So if you look closely, I start up here and I've got row 1, row 2, row 4, row 5, row 6, and row 7. When we look at D block is off by one level. And so instead of being in row 4 as it appears, we actually call that row 3, row 4, row 5, and row 6. F block, very complicated. We're not going to worry about those right now. We will stop with D block. So let me do one from yesterday, and then I'll do an example D block so that you can see how those numbers are a tiny bit different. Same exact pattern, you just have to remember we've got these different rows here compared to what we have over here. All right, for example, let's say that I want the electron configuration for oxygen. So this is like yesterday's problem. Remember, start at the top and you must work your way through the problem. So you kind of have to follow the periodic table as if it was a map, and you have to take a single step on that map. So we are at first in row 1, so that's 1, just here. We are in S block, so that means S, and we can take 2 steps in S block in row 1. So 1s2, remember our goal is to get down here to oxygen. Now, we've filled in row 1, so we can hop down here. We're in row 2. That means we are in 2 S block, 2 steps, 2S. And you can hop over here. You can finally get over to oxygen. Still at 2. However, we are now in block P, and we take 1, 2, 3, 4 steps over to P4. That would give us oxygen. 1s2, 2s2, P4. Again, follow it like a map. Let's try another one. This time we're going to add in a D block. So let's say we are moving down to copper, which is right here, Cu. Again, follow it like a map. You must take every step on the map. 1s2, down to row 2, 2s2, still in row 2, fill in your P, 2p6, hop down, 3s2, hop over, 3p6, hop down, 4s2, and if we go all the way over to copper, we are now in D, but careful, we are in row 3 again, although it doesn't appear that way. 3D, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3D9. If you head over to P block again on another element, you go back to 4. All right, good luck today.